Hello everybody, I'm going to test this machine. Customer complaint is that it's not priming, so I will show you how you can diagnose it. I'll plug it in and I have to fill up some water, so just give me 1 second. I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'll fill the water in the tank and then we can test it. Alright, I'm back now, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the machine on. One second. Okay, let's try a different setting. I have to put the brew group, or sorry, the hofer right here. I think I have a similar machine. Let me just grab. Now we'll see. Okay. Also now he wants more beans too. So I'll go grab some beans. I'll put some beans and but by the sounds of it, I think there's a problem with the pump, but I'm gonna double check. Let me come back again. I have to put some beans inside, and that way I can test it properly. Alright, put some beans inside. Gives me some error here. Let's turn it off for a second. I have to look it up what this error means. Almost like the hopper is not in place or something. I'm not sure, but let me just see. Okay, I'm just gonna take it apart. There's 2 screws on the back side. And then I can remove the top cover. That's all what I want to do for now. I'm just gonna grab those beans back and put them here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna prime it. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, let me maybe work from here. Okay, so what do we have? This is your sensor for the grinder, and the sensor seems to be okay, but there's some flashing light right here, which I'm gonna check. Let me turn it back on. Okay, so he wants the water. not in place. There you go. Okay, so this error means that the bean hopper is not locked in place. I have an idea what's wrong with that. I will try to fix it. The problem here is, you see this dial? This dial has to go inside of, I don't know if you can see this, two little legs, and this has to go in between. So I will try to lock it in between and see if it's gonna disappear, this error code, and hopefully I can get this machine running, at least so I can do the diagnostics. Okay, so let's see. So if I'm gonna put it to the finest setting, so that should go in like so. Let's see if it's, maybe, let's just see. Okay, I think it's in place now. Let's see if it's gonna disappear when I put the bean hopper. Oh, there's beans on the way. I have to clean the beans. Okay, perfect. So I fixed this problem. That's amazing. I just have to see why this side is not in place, but okay, so this error came out. Awesome. I fixed the error code with the hopper, with the bean hopper, and now I have to put some beans and see if it's actually gonna work. Okay, so now supposedly, let's turn it off, let's turn it back on. Can I select anything? Okay, so I found something on this machine. Looks like when this little cup is on, it means the appliance is being turned on for the first time and the water circuit must be filled. Okay, so yes, now it's make total sense. And then proceed as described in section 3, setting up the appliance. Okay, not sure where's section 3. Section 3, section 10, section, I know what's the issue. I'll let you know in a second. Okay, so basically what I have to do, plug the power cord. I've done it. Then plug it into the main socket. Yeah, the light will correspond, the light corresponding the button B6 comes on, indicate you need to deliver water into the circuit. Place container under OK, press OK. Alright, so I know what's the issue here. So what's happened here, this is actually a brand new appliance, and I think nobody ever used it, as the customer mentioned yesterday. The problem here is, for some reason, this means that the pump cannot prime the circuit. Now, the reason why this happens is because we have a bad pump here. I'm not sure why this happened. it's maybe still under warranty. I have to contact Delonghi and see if maybe they can get me a new pump on this one. But what's happened is when you press it, because it's new setup, so the machine think it's the first time use, when you press this button, it should prime the circuit completely from the pump, sorry, from the water tank. The pump will take all the water through the boilers and then deliver it to the brew group. But the pump cannot deliver it because either there is scale in the pump or the pump is just malfunction. Now, to remove the pump on this machine is a total disaster because the pump located between 3 panels and it's just in the middle here of the panel. So in order to remove and replace the pump on this machine, you have to take the machine in 3 pieces. I think I've done it. I have like a video about it, and to do this repair is not very complicated. It's time consuming, so, and I would say it's labor intensive. It's not hard, it's just that the machine has to be taken apart completely in order to fix the issue. Yes, unfortunately this machine needs a new pump. There was another problem that I fixed with the hopper, with the hopper here. As you remember, when I lifted the top cover, there was a little pin that needs to be inserted in this section where you have the fine and coarse, and there's like a little slot when you have to put the pin in, and the pin was not there, so it was displaying this error code here. So this one was taken care of, but we have a problem with this prime circuit, and I can't prime it because we have a bad pump. So this is the diagnostics on the Delonghi La Specialista. I'm not gonna take it apart because in this particular machine it takes so much time to do that. And if you don't believe me, you can find a video, probably I have somewhere in my videos. You can maybe type Delonghi La Specialista and you can see how much labor it's involved to take it apart and replace component on this machine. So I just have to talk with the customer and see if he's okay with me to proceed, and then we can go from there. But yes, this machine definitely needs a new pump because it cannot, the existing pump cannot prime the circuit and cannot deliver the water from the tank all the way to the brew group. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care.